Welcome! In this video, we will cover the Messages add-in feature. Messaging in Geotab Drive is pretty straightforward. If you have any new messages, drivers will see notifications in several places within the app. The number of unread messages will appear within the Messages section on the dashboard. The alert or bell icon at the top right corner of your toolbar will also indicate any unread messages as well as any events. And lastly, a yellow dot will appear on the messages icon within the floating toolbar at the bottom of your screen. To access your messages, simply click on the messages button from any one of these three places. Any new messages to your inbox will appear in a black bold font. To review the full message, simply click on the message. To respond to the sender, simply type in your message and click Send. Drivers can also see previously sent messages with this contact from this view as well. That's all we have for this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.